Hyperion X5 is the first suspended 3D/2D system and the world's smallest. Innovative, versatile, easy to install and use. First of all, launch Iris by clicking on the desktop icon. Before the examination, the dentist selects the patient's personal profile from the database. Then he chooses an examination protocol on the virtual console available on PC and iPad. To perform a temporomandibular joint scan, the dentist chooses TMJ from the projection icons displayed on the iPad. Then, scrolling through the function bar, he can select one of 3 types of projection. These tests can be performed with an open or closed mouth by selecting the corresponding icon. Once the desired examination has been selected, the patient must be positioned. First of all, press the key and wait for the X-ray unit to reach the initial position. For a successful X-ray scan, it is important to start by correctly positioning the patient. In the case of a TMJ scan, it is necessary to remove the bite and chin rest and replace them with the subnasal support. The first operation adjusts the height of the device. This is done from an onboard keypad. The subnasal support must be at the same height as the base of the nose. Once the correct height has been reached, the patient places her nose on the subnasal support and feet slightly forward with respect to her pelvis. To ensure maximum positioning accuracy, laser beam projections on the patient's face are needed. Laser beams can be adjusted from the console on board the machine. Watching the vertical sagittal trace, facial symmetrical positioning can be improved. The horizontal trace is used to confirm the correct positioning of the Frankfurt plane. The patient can tilt her head slightly forward to facilitate mouth opening if required. Once the correct orientation has been found, the dentist positions and adjusts the top ends of the stabilizing fins of the head support. Make sure that the vertical focusing laser is in line with the condyle head. Otherwise, adjust via the special keys. Now, Next is pressed, and before leaving the room, the dentist asks the patient to close her eyes and not to move. After the scan is completed, a message is displayed on the virtual console to inform that the button should be released. A preview of the X-ray image is immediately displayed on the virtual console. The scan has been completed. MyRay, a comprehensive, innovative instrument range to optimize your workflow, improve communication with the patient, and make your every diagnosis perfect.